Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an invisible folder on your desktop. You want maybe to hide your sensitive information in an invisible folder, and that is very important because in this tutorial I'm going to take you through a very clear step-by-step on how you can do that. So to do this, let's start off. Now the first thing you need to do is to create a folder. Simply right click your right hand mouse button, then come to new here, then create a folder like that. Now this is your folder here. So what you need to do is you need to hold Alt key in your keyboard, your left Alt key in your keyboard like this, hold it like that, then type 255, then release, press enter. So it will not be renamed here like the way you see. You see, this is the folder. Now from there you need to right click, then right click on that folder, move to property here, click on that property, then it will open up this dialog box. Now what you need to do is you move to customize here, then move to change icon. It is here, click on change icon. So you're looking for, now click here on empty icon. From there click OK, then apply. Now you see the result is your folder is now hidden. No one can be able to see this folder, but it is here on your desktop. So if you want to hide very sensitive information, you can hide like this. So if you find this video very valuable, please consider subscribing or following for more.